Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are good. As you can tell from the title or probably the thumbnail, I'm here with another switch up. Okay, I mean, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just because, I've been wearing literally like a bob wash and go for so long now. But I'm really just in the spirit of looking different and just, feeling myself small. So yeah, before we jump in, thank you guys so much for the love on the straight hair video. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do so. I will be sure to link it there, I think, or there. But yeah, oh guys, let me tell you how much I love that kinky straight wig. I just feel like, oof, something, like somebody's something in that wig. Anyway, I'm back with another hair giving hair video. I have another unit, and this time I've gone back to my curls, obviously. And this particular wig is the curly texture. I will put all the details on the side for you guys, but this is the 3B to 3C type curls. And what I'm really in the mood for is a braid and curl, and that's exactly how I'm feeling to do it. So I just wanted to show you guys what the unit looks like. As always, the curls are absolutely gorgeous. They are consistent from root to tip. The hair feels amazing. It feels nice and soft straight out of the box. It also doesn't have a horrible smell. I always say this because I really appreciate the fact that the hair smells good when it arrives. And the knots have been bleached, just like all of HerGiven's units. There is the option to have their knots pre-bleached for you, which makes it so much easier. The construction, as always, is A1. They have perfected the method in which they use to construct their wigs. The hairline is always beautiful, nice, pre-plucked. If you're like me and you pretty much don't know what you're doing when it comes to wigs, this is perfect. Listen, you guys know I'm not going to come and sit here and tell you I'm your slay sister when it comes to wigs. I'm really not. I just like to be able to pick up a unit, pop it on my head and go. It does have a bra strap situation in there, which helps you to adhere the wig to your head really well. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to style this unit. In the last video, some of you actually asked me how I actually applied the wig without using any glues or anything like that. And I'm going to show you. I actually bought one of these, which is like a wig grip. I'll put the link to it in the description box. It's okay. I feel like it's probably something that you need to master how to use it, because I feel like the first day I used it, my wig was sliding back, as in the first time I put it on. And then by the second day, which is when I actually finished styling the wig and wore the wig out, I just managed to like perfect it. On the third time I used it, the second day I went out, the wig did not budge whatsoever. So yeah, I think it takes a little minute to get the placement correct, but when you do, the wig does stay. When it comes to wearing like naturally curly wigs, my absolute favorite thing about them is that my hair doesn't need to be like super duper flat, especially in the back. So all I did today, this morning, is my hair is in a wash and go, or my hair was in a wash and go. I just wet my hair a little bit and I pulled it into 2 buns, and then I braided each one and pinned it in the back. And I just wanted to quickly show you guys, this is just one of the best things. You really can just grab your wig, throw it on and go when it's, the same texture as your hair, when it's big, essentially. So yeah.
A lot of havoc. When you pull up in the building, oh no, everybody must put hands up. If I just like me, what I carry me go, I just feel for my body and soul. I swear you fire like in the air, do anywhere me I go
around the world from east to west, from north to south, and damn, you were still the best. You know, be type we go carry me, they proof for press. So talk my matter up and down with disrespect. It's like heaven every time that we kiss and sex. Hardcore like Modan and Kid Connect. Big respect, baby, I ain't rich, but yet I put diamonds on your body from your wrist to neck. So me say, hold up, you're the one I think of when I roll up. Tell them all the girls, them cool off. I'ma bring you flowers when I pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. It takes two to tangle, so I bring you love from a different angle. I'ma light the spliff, you can light up the candle. Me and you fire, that's the ice they can handle.
If I just like me, what I carry me go, I dey feel from my body and soul. That's why you find like in the end, anyway me I go follow you.
I
know